What's up YouTube? Today we are installing the IL Motorsport short shifter. So first of all, take out your shift knot. If you're wondering what shift knot I have, this is the Scum 2 shift knot. You can buy this off Amazon. It's pretty good quality and it weighted pretty heavy too. It's about 1 pound. Really good if you want to give it a shot. So Scum 2. Yeah, Scum 2 racing shift knot. So you take off your shift knot, take off all your hardware. Let's see. Okay. After you take out your shift knot, go ahead and use a screwdriver. There's 4 screws, 1 on each side. And take that out. There's another one in the cup holder. Go ahead and take that out. Oops. Forget about it. And then there's one more in your glove box. Make sure you don't damage any of the wires. For me, I have a lot of wires here. So there's that. Wow. Okay. So once you take that out, you see your shifter. A lot of insulation. Go ahead and take out your insulation. Put that aside. And you should be able to see the shift boot right here. Right here. In order to remove the shift boots, there's 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and cut it out. Try to not damage your shift boot. There you go. So go ahead and take that out. You don't need this anymore. Now you should be able to take out your boot. Okay, here you go. So you take this one. Oh. Okay, so make sure you don't damage any of your wires. So do something like this. Huh. Okay. Huh. Let's not mess with that. So go ahead and take out your shift boot, put it aside. And after that, you see 3 more bolts right here. They should also be 10 milliliter. Go ahead and take those out. Shift it right out. Wow. Okay. Let me get some towel real quick. Okay. So there are a couple things they want you to keep. The first one, I don't know if you can see, they want you to keep the bottom piece, which is this one. Go ahead and take that out. Oh, wow, it's a little stuck on there. It was kind of stuck. So you take that out. And then they also want you to keep this part right here. This part right here. So they just want you to pry it out. Oh shoot. Hey, I'm not a as you can see here, don't know much about cars, so don't judge. So they also want you to reuse this part right here. Okay. Then the original one. Looks a little shorter too, actually. Wait a minute. So a lot smaller and a lot shorter. I'm not quite sure how that works. As you can see. But let's continue. We're in here inside the turrets. This parts. They also want you to reuse that parts also. So don't throw it away. You're gonna be using something like this. The water bottle. Alright. So I don't know if you can see how dirty the fluids are. And I did a shifter rebuild not too long ago. So let's go ahead and take all those.
You might want something smaller. I don't think this is working too well.
I have a 5X Racing brass bushing like this. It won't fit. So you have to either order an OEM one or an aftermarket one out. So first you put this little gasket in first. All right, make sure to line up. Then you put this black piece in with the opening facing forward and down like this. Okay, much better. Yes. And then you use this O parts, same thing with this notch, this opening facing forward. Like that. Cool, cool, cool. And then you want to wipe out your surface area. Making sure everything sticks. So we have a little gasket right here. Little gasket. Put that on there. Like that. Okay. And then this big block. So same stuff for this notch, facing forward, facing down. Well, facing forward and down. So like this. And you want to make sure everything lines up. Like that. Perfect. Now you put these two pieces together. Oh, wait. Yeah. There's little grooves that you can climb in. So just climb those in with each other. Like that. And let's see, so you insert it. What the hell would that fit? Should be more like that. Yeah. Okay. So put this on top like that, with the little notch, little groove matching, facing down. Okay. And then we're gonna put that aside, which is not too bad. So go ahead and loop it up real quick. Looped up the bushing, and also you should looped up your shifter on the bottom, so it will go in easier. Okay. It's gonna be a little hard because I think this is slightly bigger. Don't take this, don't get in there either. Oh boy. There you go. Well, that took a little strength. So with this opening facing forward, matching with the groove, make sure everything looks perfectly. Go ahead and insert. Insert. There you go. And then after that, put this back on with the opening facing forward, facing down. Okay, like so, like that. Should fit pretty nice, okay? Everything is going smooth so far, which is good. And they do come with this little boots. You need to put it however you want. I don't think there's a direction on it. So I'll go ahead and insert like that. There you go. Like so. Oh, you don't want to move the gasket like that. Okay. Now, use the hardware provided. Make sure you put the the washer in there. Let's see. There you go. Make sure you put the little washer onto it, like so. Should bolt in pretty nicely, like that. And then use one of these tools, size 4. And go ahead and twist that in there. Okay, let's just hand tie these. Maybe not. Huh, let me double check this. Okay, so let's take this out. So I think this boot right here is supposed to sit lower, like that. Right. So sit lower like that, and then it would make sense for this to do something like that. That's better. Huh, okay. Oh well, just had to go with it like that, I guess. So, put that out. And then you can go ahead and put all your shift girding back in place. So 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. also don't want to tie these too tight. Okay, so I guess this is much short, like maybe an inch too shorter than the stock shifter, lengthwise. So it looks super funny with a shift boot. So I decided to just rock the no shift boot, I guess. If you are a big OEM person, you probably don't like this look. So before you buy this, think about it. You know, consider the fact that it's not gonna look as good with the shift boot on. But the most important part is the shift, right? So it feels tighter than stock. Obviously the door is shorter as well. Less play, as you can see when it's in gear. It's not as much play. I'm gonna go for a test drive and see how this drive. For the price, in comparison to other short shifters, it's not bad. But I just wish, yeah. So for the price, I mean, I just wish the instruction was better. I mean, I don't see why this is any better than any eBay or Amazon shifters. I mean, they all have similar parts. This is not, I don't feel like there's anything special about it. But I'm gonna go on a test drive and see how this shifts. Okay, so after a half an hour drive, it's a nice shifter, right? It's tight, it's direct, it took out all the sloppiness in the old shifter. It does what any other short shifter is meant to do. I like it. It's kind of nice in comparison to the stock one. But before purchasing this, you should also think about your other options, other prices, stuff like that. If you do have the money, I would suggest either getting one like this or just get a shifter rebuild. I think both's a great choice. It'll come down to what you like. This one, it's really tight, really direct. I'm not sure if you like that, that feeling. For me, I enjoy it. It makes shifting a lot of fun. But you also can go wrong with shifter rebuild. I would love to try the Miata Roadster short shifter. But it's kind of expensive. It's like $400. But maybe eventually I'll try it out. But that's it. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.